It's still really tickly. It's just like itchy all around my nostrils. God, I keep feeling like I'm right on the edge of a sneeze. Oh my God. Sometimes blowing my nose really just makes the tickle worse. Makes the tickle worse. I don't know why. Like the vibrations or the air moving. Or something like that. And sometimes I can't stop sneezing until I blow my nose. I think I opened the floodgates, so to speak. There's actually not a lot coming out, but there's a lot of tickling going on. Oh my God. Oh, that feels a little better. I never know when I'm finished. Just feels like I'm gonna keep sneezing forever. But you wouldn't mind that too much, would you? Oh, my eyes are watering.